Hello there YouTubers, last time we said we were going to be doing a review of Simply Piano. So what I thought I'd do is to give you a bit of a taste of two different ways of learning the piano. One of the common ways of learning piano is by watching YouTube videos, and you'll see from here it's sort of like a piano at the bottom with bars that come down at the top. It's quite a common way of learning. There's pros and cons. Pros are that you can find pretty much any type of song that you're looking for, you want to learn on the piano by searching on YouTube. There's normally someone who's done something regarding this. Cons are that obviously it's sometimes more difficult to learn because you're having to watch the bars coming down all the time. So that there are pros and cons. I find it more hard to learn both sides, left and right hands on this way, this method. But you may find it might be quite useful, so I'll show you how good it is. This is from someone else's video. I'll leave a link at the bottom for this person's video because I found it quite good, and you can see how good it sounds. You can see this is quite good. The keys are pretty much in sync with the song. As you can tell, that's the theme from Jurassic Park. But it's quite good to learn. One method of learning the piano. Another method to use is using Simply Piano. Now, there's pros and cons, like I said before. Pros are, I find this method really good for learning how to play with both your left hand and your right hand. Cons are that obviously, because it's a program that people have actually taken time to show you how to understand sheet music and understand how to play different types of bars and things like that, that obviously they don't have every song available. So that's the only con I can think of. A lot of pros for it though. It teaches you how to play with both hands, it teaches you how to play with sheet music, and teach you things that are useful. So for instance, one of the videos I said that was useful was playing a chord in a different way, so it'd be like this. So it teaches you how to play chord, whereas if you saw it on a sheet music and you hadn't been taught that, you'd be seeing the different notes popping up and down the screen. You'd be thinking, oh, this seems like it's going really too fast for me. So they teach you how to play difficult things in a very easy way. I'll just give you a bit of an example of how sheet music's played on here. As you can see, it picks up if you're hitting all the keys in the exact position where it should be in time with the song, but it goes through the left hand at the bottom, right hand at the top. I find it really good. Other pro is that you can actually slow down the tempo, so if you want to take time to understand and play it. As with YouTube videos, they only get a set rate. You can't adjust the speed unless someone's actually done a slower version of the video. So you can actually set the speed of what you want the sheet music to go back at, and I find it really useful. It's got tutorials on how to learn different levels of music. So if you really want to learn how to play the piano properly, I recommend using Simply Piano. If you just want to learn a little bit of songs and you're not wanting to really get into it professionally, or you don't want to really understand how to play sheet music, then maybe watching a few YouTube videos is probably best for you. But if you do really want to learn, and I do suggest this, if you want to learn how to play the piano properly, I suggest you go with a little bit extra and get the Simply Piano app. It's really useful. I think they have a try it before you buy it option first, so have a look into that. Try it first, see if you're interested in it, and see how you get on. And you can still use YouTube videos at the same time, so you get the best of both worlds. And that's from me, Year Leaper. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.